Hello, everybody. Good evening to all of you. This side Prince and your favorite YouTube channel P Class. Today I'm gonna record a video for you, and today I would like to talk about um. So please give me 1 minute, sir. Uh, what is going on? Today I will talk about unit and unit and measurement. Here I would like to write a measurement. Mm, Okay. Today I would like to talk units and measurement. Units and measurements. Okay. This is a small chapter and it is a very helpful for you. And I hope you are getting my point and am I audible? Okay. I should. Okay. Let's we start. First of all, we will talk about physical quantity. What is physical quantity? If you know physical quantity, if you don't know, don't worry. Physical quantity. First, I should change. Uh, Physical quantity. Physical quantity. Okay. A quantity which can be measured. Oh, why? A quantity which can be measured. That quantity which can be measured. Example, length, mass. We know that we can measure length. Means how long are you, and we also measure mass like 2 kg, 3 kg, and we can measure velocity like velocity, temperature, area. We measure area in acre, like we measure our land, and volume, density, and etc. etc means etc. and are measurable quantities. Means these quantities are measurable. This quantity we can measure, but um, we cannot measure lob. Okay, go. We should go ahead. Now I will talk about non-physical quantity. We have talked about physical quantity, and now non-physical quantity. A quantity that cannot be measured is called as a non-physical quantity. If we measure love, we cannot measure and goodness we cannot measure. So it is a non-physical quantity. Okay, and now I will physical quantity. A quantity is completely specified if it has. Okay. Physical quantity is a numerical values. यानी कि थ्री टाइप ऑफ फिजिकल क्वांटिटी इज न्यूमेरिकल values, रेशियो and refractive index, dielectric constant it is. And second one is magnetic magnitude only, like scalar have only magnitude. Example, mass, charge, current etc. Magnitude and direction and follow law of LOV of what's I want to say that magnitude and direction and follow law of trigonometry vector. Law of no triangle vector. Okay, like displacement, torque, etc. Okay, and I would like to talk. I will tell you about physical quantity. There are two types of physical quantity. Okay, first one is fundamental. Fundamental physical quantity is also called base quantity. Okay, it is also called base quantity. And second one is derived quantity. Okay, it has not second name, but fundamental quantity have second name is base quantity. Okay. Mhm. And unit show the standard of measurement of physical quantity. Unit unit show if we measured anything, and then after we show in unit like 1 kg, 1, if we measure 1 kg onion, so here 1 is a numerical value. It is called numerical value, but it is called unit. We can also measure 1000 gram, means 1 kg is also called 1000 gram. If we measure in 1000 gram, 1000 gram, so here G represent gram, and gram is unit. Gram is unit. But 1000 is a numerical value. Here we haven't space to write a numerical value, so I would like to write it in this side. Okay. Fundamental या बेस फिजिकल क्वांटिटी. Fundamental या बेस फिजिकल क्वांटिटी. Physical quantity which does not depend on any other physical quantity, means physical quantity, fundamental physical quantity is that physical quantity that not depend on another physical quantity. For its measurement is called fundamental physical quantity, like time does not depend on another physical quantity, and time, and another is length. I will talk about there are 7 type of physical fundamental physical quantity. Types of fundamental quantity. Okay, ahead we'll talk about now फंडामेंटल या बेस यूनिट, फंडामेंटल या बेस यूनिट, द यूनिट दैट the units for the fundamental quantities are called fundamental units. It means that units we use for fundamental quantity that are called fundamental units. Okay, I will and we should go ahead. Now I would like to stop this video. Okay, now we'll talk about unit system. Unit system. Okay, I should change the color of pen. Okay, unit system. There are three type of unit system. First is MKS. MKS unit system. Here M represent meter, and K is for kilo. Oh. Okay, M is for meter and K is kilo. MKS, K is for kilogram. Perhaps it is kilogram. Okay, kilogram, and it is kg. Okay, meter. MKS system is full from MKS system. Meter kilogram, meter kilogram system. Kilogram, kilogram. Okay, and S is called system. System. And CGS is centimeter. C is for centimeter. Centimeter, and G is for gram. G represent gram. And S represent system. And here APS, APS जो APS food pound second system. Okay, no, यहाँ MKS है. Oh shit. S represent second, not it is not represent system. Food pound, MKS meter kilogram, second system. Okay, first I will have to erase it. Okay, this is my mistake. Okay, it is called second. Oh, why? Second, ठीक है. And this is also called, and here I will have to use, I will use pen color. Okay, I will also second. And here FPS foot pound second system, and foot here F represent foot, 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 and P represent pound, and foot, foot, and S represent second. Okay, here we can study. We are talking about immune system. There are three type of immune system: MKS and CGS, MKS, CGS, and FPS. The full form of MKS is meter kilogram second system. Okay, and CGS is centimeter gram second system, and FPS is food bound second system. Okay, and FPS is the other name of FPS. FPS is called British system. FPS is also called FPS system is also called British system, and MKS is called metric system, and CGS is called what we called it is also called metric system. Okay, now we should go ahead. There are there are seven fundamental quantities, and here this is a chart, this is a table, and you will have to remember it. Okay, fundamental quantities. Here is fundamental quantities, and here SI unit, and here symbol, length. The SI unit of length is meter, and symbol is am. Mass is kilogram SI unit, and symbol is kg, and time is second, and symbol is s. Temperature, the SI unit of temperature will be Kelvin, and symbol K. The amount of substance mole, and symbol is mole. Here we also pronounce mole, and it is also mole, and it is symbol, and it is a mole, and we can if we write in system, we write mole, and we mol, we write mol. OL. But in chemistry we write we use MOL. We can use both of its. Okay, both are mole. Electric current SI unit ampere, and symbol is A. Luminous intensity SI unit candela, and symbol is CD. Okay, I hope you are getting my point, and it will, and you have not, if you haven't doubt still now, there are two supplementary quantities. Supplementary quantities are two. First is plane angle. Okay, and the SI unit of plane angle is radian, and symbol is RAD. Okay, and second one is solid angle. SI unit is radian, and symbol is SR only. Okay, Plane angle and solid angle. Now we will talk about plane angle and solid angle. Plane angle, ratio of subtended arc length on circle to radius, and it means theta equal to L divided by R. Okay, and circle has 2 pi radians. Circle have 2 pi radian. Ratio of subtended arc theta equal to arc division by radius. Okay, it is a plane angle, and circle has a 2 pi radian. And this is solid angle. Solid angle, ratio of subtended area on sphere to radius squared, means here representation of solid angle is omega. Omega equal to area A, and radius squared. Spheres have 4 pi radians. Okay, and now I would like to stop, and we'll meet in another videos. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you. Have a nice day to all of you.